Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to log into Roblox on your Android phone but it's not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several effective ways to fix Roblox login problems on Android. So let's get started. Before starting, let's try out some basic solutions. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off again. Sometimes an unstable connection is a common reason Roblox fails to log in. Solution 1. Check Roblox server status. Sometimes the problem is not with your phone. Roblox servers may be down or under maintenance. You can search online for Roblox server status to confirm. So, open your Chrome browser and search for status.roblox.com. Now look at the user section, and it breaks down status by website, mobile app, avatar, games. Then, check for any active incidents at the top or red or yellow bars in the history graph. If servers are down, then you will need to wait until Roblox fixes the issue. Solution 2. Clear Roblox cache. Now open your phone settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Then find Roblox and tap it. Again, scroll down a little bit and tap Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Do not tap on Clear Data unless necessary. After that, reopen Roblox and check if the login problem is fixed. Solution 3. Update the Roblox app. Make sure your Roblox app is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store, then search for Roblox and tap Update if available. An outdated app can cause login errors. That's it, guys. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.